everybody, so we are going to make some cookies. Please excuse the noise in the background. I have got one wee girl, the other one is in the living room, and I've got the washing machine going. Please excuse that, but like, share and subscribe if you like the recipe, and stay tuned for more what I eat in the videos. And okay, so I just... Cookies, So I've just picked this recipe up online. I will post it in the description below if you're interested. No ham? Okay, so the next thing is caster sugar, and this is 1 cup, but I am going to do half and half. 1 caster, and the other is dark brown sugar. Brown sugar. Hopefully this will turn out. Mix, mix, mix. Dry ingredients now.
Very sticky.
That's it.
What is that?
Yummy. Good job. 2 teaspoons. 2 baking powder.
A chef pinch.
2 eggs. For the egg. Blub blub. Stir, stir. Ooh. Chocolate chip time. Actually, I've got 2 types of chocolate chips, which is what white chocolate chips and milk chocolate chips. And I'm going to divide the mixture between 2 bowls and then mix them both in. Oh no, there's dark chocolate. I thought they were milk, but they're dark. One big cookie. No, I'm kidding. Right, I've just popped them in the oven. Now I'm not going to cook all of it, purely because that's going to be a lot of cookies in the one sitting, and we're not going to eat all those, and they're just going to go to waste. So I'm not going to throw the excess out. I'm going to pop them into piping bags and pop them in the freezer. I got to pick up some food bags while I went shopping. Pop these in the freezer. There. Let's check on them. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Cookies are ready.
You always say that.
Super soft. Dark chocolate chip next. Oh, look at that. And if you don't hear any kids in the background, that's because they're enjoying the cookies as well. So I think that's a hit. If you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe, and press the bell as well to get all the notifications, because I do shorts as well. And thank you so much for stopping by my channel and watching the video. I'll see you next time. Bye.